the first smart device that cooks healthy dog food automatically. We all love dog memes, but this is mucho más. Say goodbye to those old, rusty cans. Now you can treat your fur babies to the dishes they deserve using human-grade dehydrated dog food. With Kibus, you can feed them on a healthy and natural diet in a much more convenient way. This is the Nespresso for dogs. You no longer need to worry about when to feed your dog. Set up Kibus to cook for them automatically so you can carry on with work or your daily routine while sticking to their feeding times with freshly made food served right under their noses. We know that your dog is so much more than an animal. They're part of the family, and they deserve the best, delicious, and nutritious food. Kibble and cans are heavily processed, so pet parents are moving to healthier solutions, such as cooking at home or frozen meals. These can be time-consuming and inconvenient to prepare. That's why we came up with the perfect solution for you and your dog. Kibus is homemade pet food at the touch of a button. Choose the daily amount of food your dog needs, and just once a week you fill up the water and food tanks, that's it. Kibus cooks it for you, using the right amount of food and water to heat, mix, and cook. You can use any dehydrated pet food brand you like. You can get it online or at your preferred pet shop or vet clinic. It only takes a few minutes, then out pops the orange bowl and dinner is served to the sound of music so your dog knows it's ready. With drinking water always on tap. Kibus works with dehydrated fresh food, which keeps the nutrients and flavors from the fresh ingredients. This has great health benefits like better digestion, healthier skin and coat, more energy, and even a longer life. Kibus also measures the exact amount of food to help prevent your dog from overeating. 100% natural ingredients, freshly cooked and served warm. The delicious taste will leave tails wagging. By backing us, you will also help an abandoned dog in the US. For each device, we will give them 1 week of food in collaboration with the American Association of Pet Parents. Kibus is a user-friendly device that requires minimum effort from you and takes just 6 minutes until it's ready to be eaten. It is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe bowls. As a stretch goal, we are working on an app to program the device from your smartphone, keep a tracking of their eating habits, and even customize the warning sound with your own voice. A familiar and comforting sound for them. Your home furniture doesn't match the black Kibus styling? Then you will love this stretch goal, the white Kibus. Kibus wasn't built in a day. Albert, the CEO, has spent his whole life in the pet food industry, and his family have been making pet food for more than 65 years. In 2018, Kibus was founded to improve the way we feed our pets. After more than 2 years of hard work, intensive R&D, and quite a few rounds of prototypes and refinements, Kibus is finally ready for mass production. Now we just need your help to change the way we feed our dogs worldwide. Back us on Kickstarter. Kibus.